Um, dude, why did you start recording? I don't know. Really? Recording could make time stop, you know. Oh, I don't know. Really? I'm just gonna be stuck here with the walrus. A really fluffy, dumb walrus eating me. So I don't want you to stop recording. But I have to do it at a time. So I don't record that much. So I don't take up much space in the video thing. Did you fix this glitch? No. Let's try another funky. What? You didn't see that. Right. Right? Yes. Okay. Whatever. If you stop recording. Oh gosh, I will escape and actually not really escape. I'll just jump at the throat and then put my owl claws on it. And just put my I'll just put my claws on the left and right, stuck in the walrus, the stupid dumb walruses, dude. Why? Dog in the grass, if you're watching, get me out of here. Cause if you don't, I'll choke the seal right here. You didn't see anything, right? Those are the flashing thing. Nothing else. Okay? Just don't talk about it. I'm just a freaking owlet. I just want to go to my mommy and parents. No. I'm stuck in a scene and now I have to choke the seal after you stop recording. Okay. I wish dog in the grass couldn't put my mouse, his mouse over me and then drag me, but he can't. Cause now this is a frickin' video. When he clicks this video, it just pauses and plays. Now he can't drag me. Why can't dog in the grass drag me out anymore? Because I really want to be out of this frickin' walrus's mouth.
Admin would win.
Ugh.
The admin really knows how to hack.
Ew.
Like the hacker.
I'm trying to shut my nose. What is the restaurant? Yes, this walrus smells like fish. And now it smells like owlets had taken a dump. Okay. Please get me the frick out of here. I'm gonna start recording. Okay, just go ahead and I'll choke the seal. Because now that dog in the grass can't drag me out. I'll kill the seal. I will seriously do if you stop recording. And then you have to go back to your real life portal, your recording guy that has set up the camera here. Okay. the portal's still here. Okay? But I can't move to it. I really want to move to it. So I could be my own self. Like, seriously. Just stop recording. I'll just choke the seal eventually and get to the human portal. But the human portal is limited, sir. What? Why can't you make it unlimited? Just stop recording. Stop recording!